Sup bro, it's day 10 of creating SpaceWise, my space app. Yeah, the one that teaches space concepts, and it makes it fun, it makes it entertaining, it makes it really good for learning physics, math, space exploration stuff. So yeah, what did I do today? Let me show you. Bro, today has been like full overthinking day, bro. Full overthinking. It's been crazy. So today I've been, excuse me, I've been studying a course of OpenGL with C++, and I've also been breaking down my MVP, my minimum viable product, and I'm just breaking it down, like seeing what can I add, like getting the plan. But I don't want to only plan because I mean I don't want to fall into the same trap that I've been. So I've been in the trap of just planning, being ultra perfectionistic, not doing anything that actually moves the needle. So I I've been alternating. I've been doing something that moves the needle, that actually, like, I need to learn this, right, to create my application. But yeah, and with breaking down and planning, because I think that's really important as well. And for school, like, this is also kind of like a school project. It's much bigger than that, but like, I will turn in the MVP in to the school, because it's like a project that I'm doing as well. I mean, it's, bro, I don't know what I'm doing. It's the same project. Done. So here it is. Very overthinking today. Very overthinkative. So here's the planning that I did. This is like not actually planning. This is like the initial. This is not the initial planning. This is the thing that I've updated after a lot of just changing stuff and overthinking it. But what is this? So this is like my study lesson. So it was 60 minutes. It was all theory. What I did, like, I did not do any practical stuff, no coding. I basically watched a course, a video course on Udemy, and I've been just trying to think of the way that I should learn and I should do it. Because if I go over here, oh wait, let me go study sessions. Yep. Excuse me. So here I have like these blocks, right? These are the blocks that constitute my learning sessions. And there's like a bunch of things here, and I'm every day experimenting with things, to see which thing is the one that, what are the techniques, what are the building blocks of a good studying system, and learning well for me. So I've been just overthinking a lot, and I really shouldn't. But yeah, what are the mistakes, and what can I learn from this? So I did. What did I do? So I started watching the video, and then I got thinking, bro, should I just watch the video, and then at the end of the video, which is like 30 minutes, like, there's a lot of stuff there, and at the end of the video I make a summary, like I try to summarize everything I can for like 20 minutes, or should I just watch a bit of the video, like a section of the video, then pause and summarize what I've been like that section, and then I do the same with like different, with like the remaining sections. I don't know. I've been thinking about that, and basically, the thing I did was just watch the video, and when you see that there's something relevant, when I see that there's something relevant for the practical stuff that I will do, like for the coding, if the theory is actually relevant. For that, if I think it is, then I will go to my diagram, which is this one. Let me show you in a second. Ooh, 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 ooh. Is it this? It's not this. Definitely not this. It's this. Okay. So, Control Alt. Oh, I need to wait 1 second. Control Alt P. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So, wait. I've been adding this to the diagram, right? You're gonna hear me a little bit worse now because I'm dropping the mic. It's not close to my mouth now. But here's what I did. It's kind of crazy. It's very crazy. But yeah. So this is what has changed. So it went from this, and today I did this. I reorganized this a little bit, and then this is what I learned, like the rendering pipeline, and the shaders, which are like pieces of code that are run to make the pipeline work, and the pipeline are like stages that are run by the GPU, and they basically make, like, the whole objective of the pipeline is to make an image rendered on the screen. That can be like I don't know, an image, a triangle, bro. It can be anything, right? And here a bunch of, like, here are the sections, and here are subsections. That's basically it. But the thing is, then I saw that this Canva project is getting very laggy, and I started searching for different mind mapping tools, and I found this one, which is Google, not Google. But yeah, and I've been learning, and that's what I can say, that to be honest, I haven't learned too much from this. No, I have. In the next lesson, in the next study session, I'm gonna just watch the video, and yeah, if I see anything is interesting and relevant, I'll just put it on the think about it. I'll think how can I organize it in the diagram. I'll think about how it relates to the other topics, and that makes it not a passive thing that I do. It's an active way of learning, so that's very important. Or at least I think that it's an active. But yeah, I'm pretty sure. Next, oh yeah, here are the notes I took. Here's like the little summary I did. Then more notes. Yeah. Nice. Next, what? Oh shit! I'm not showing this. Damn. Yeah. Here are the notes that I took. More notes. And a little summary. Nice. Okay. Next, we go here, and this is the diagram of SpaceWise. It was this before, but as I said, like, Canva is getting laggy as hell, so I found this, and I've been thinking about the new stuff here, and I've been putting it in, and I still have to get like half of this diagram inside this thing, inside this app, this mind mapping app, but for now I've been doing this. Really important, the learning experience. So I've been looking at my past conversation with ChatGPT about my application, and I've been getting ideas and putting things that are interesting, and also I've been thinking about how each thing relates to one, like, yeah, relates to one another. And basically, so here we have like visual and graphical animations. I've been breaking down the MVP to know exactly what I need to do and what I need to learn to get the SpaceWise done. So here we have guided missions. Like, these are only ideas, right? But are ideas that are I'm very likely to implement. So missions where the app guides students through step-by-step missions, and basically the app is going to explain what's going on in every single moment. It's going to explain, like on a rocket launch, it's going to explain, for example, the law that there's, bro, what the fuck, maybe, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. Okay. I don't know, bro. My brain not working. So here introduces students to orbital velocity, then fuel efficiency. Then we have like how to test the student, how the student is gonna actually learn after he gets exposed to the new information. Well, we have quizzes here, and we have interactive quiz missions, which is like the same as the guided missions, but instead of showing the student new information, instead of teaching the student the new information, it's gonna put problem solving questions. So, but like it's not gonna be the same mission, because like it doesn't make any sense. It's gonna be like a similar mission, and the student can apply the principles that he has learned on an actual practical example. Yeah, there's like questions, normal questions, and there's like challenges where the student has to really think more critically. Then after the quiz or the mission, the app will give like a detailed summary of what he did well, like in his answers, what he did wrong. That's basically it. And then if the student is struggling with a topic, then the app will show to the student like some resources, or it could even make like simpler missions, so the student can practice his weaknesses, right? Which is very cool. So I want to do that. Now, as you see, like I'm not very no, that doesn't make any sense, but I don't really know much about physics or much about math right now, so that's why I need to study crazy amount. I don't know almost anything about rocket science, so this is like from scratch. This is like a project I've picked up, that because I love the topic and the like all about space and learning how the world works and aerospace engineering, and I love this. So I want to create this and I want to study like crazy, and that's why I'm obsessing about how do I need to study best, because I want to be efficient and effective at learning. So how long is this video, bro? 14 minutes. I've been yapping like crazy. Excuse me for that. But yeah. Here. I'm gonna be living. Have a nice day. Wish you a good one. Oi. Bye bye.